Now if we switch things up a bit and we eliminate the character from the shot, but we still keep the camera filming from the character's perspective, we get a first person or subjective point of view. A POV shot still shows what a character or subject is looking at or experiencing, but is now uniquely represented through the lens of the camera. A POV is regularly set up by first showing the character looking at something, followed by the POV shot to confirm what they see, along with a shot of the character's reaction afterwards. This could be something across the room, or as a close-up insert shot where we might see the character looking at something they're holding in their hands, like a phone or something they're reading. Usually this signifies something of importance in the story. Some POV shots, however, can be much more immersive than others, where the camera is literally the audience's perspective for an extended period of time, maybe even the entire movie. This means that whichever way the character moves or looks, so too does the camera, which therefore influences the audience's point of view as well. These POVs are frequently used in horror or found footage films like The Blair Witch Project, Chronicle, or Cloverfield, where the entire movie was, in theory, filmed with a regular camera by the characters in the film. Some of the most unique POV shots are ones that are obstructed or limit our field of view in some way. This might include seeing out of a character's eye where the eyelid is blocking part of the frame, or maybe binoculars, keyholes, or even a gun scope, which serves to literally isolate the target in the shot for the viewer. While not exactly in the same category, there are also many examples of technological first-person POVs, where the viewer takes on the perspective of a machine like the Terminator, or a person wearing some sort of goggles or glasses with advanced tech. In these cases, the audience is usually introduced to a change in tint, but most importantly, the screen is now updated with pertinent information, graphics, and data related to what is being seen or experienced by that character. Like in this example from Free Guy, as he only sees the items linked to gameplay when he has the glasses on. POV shots can even represent the point of view of an inanimate object, like the trunk shots used by Quentin Tarantino. However, using an object's reflection is probably one of the most interesting and popular ways to use an inanimate object for a POV. Whether the reflection is off of glasses, a window, a mirror, or another object found in the scene, this type of POV is a creative way to establish a unique perspective of the scene, almost like the viewer is a fly on the wall. Alright, so the final POV that we're going to cover is one where a character literally looks directly into the camera. Often, this is done so that the viewer can feel the connection between the character that is looking at the camera and the character being looked at. A powerful technique to emphasize the love between two characters. A slightly more adjacent example of this are the modern social media or webcam-based movies where the dialogue and reactions of each character are continuously recorded by multiple cameras as they interact with each other on a computer screen, aka the audience's perspective.
Oh, hello. I know, right?
But by having a character look directly into the camera, you can also have them break the fourth wall, meaning that the character is actually aware of and acknowledges the fact that they are a fictional character in the movie. This is typically a comedy device where the character communicates something directly to the audience, either in the form of a look, a gesture, or even an actual line of dialogue that, while it happens in the movie, is actually meant for the viewers.
Just enjoy yourself. That goes for you all, too. Yes.
If you got something out of this video, make sure to drop a like, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you next time.